we're up by the fence now, and
apparently, as well as
what they're flying at the moment is a couple of what are called pit special foamies, obviously made of foam, and they're flying on electric brushless motors.
Okay. He's waiting for the CAA to authorise it in public displays.
Okay.
Between the wheels.
As you can see,
one of the great things about this, you have experts
there
all
are
around you. It's a
many model aircraft here. I mean, we've what looks like a Sopwith Camel.
Okay, so that'll go on it goes a bit without gas turbines, but
a German one. My knowledge on German World War I aircraft isn't that great, but there are some tremendous. We've got a Spitfire over there, various overwing, Wellington bomber, and another Wellington bomber. Beautifully crafted models that are all flyers, and hopefully we will be seeing them take to the air this afternoon. The foamies, as they are called, which are pit specials, I've been reassured that they are still flying around. It takes great skill to fly these model aircraft. You've got a minimum of 4-channel radio control, possibly 6-channel, running on 2.4 gigahertz. The 2.4 gigahertz radio control, as opposed to the old 27 megahertz, tunes you in and out of other people's frequencies. So it's good stuff. So if you're considering taking up the hobby of radio controlled model aircraft, you've got to start looking at 2.4 gigahertz and not 27 megahertz, all right? Because you could land up with some very bad crashes and things. Just getting ready now. They're going to fly a trio of Spitfires that run on 4-stroke petrol engines, which is going to be quite something. I'm just going to go up to the barrier, all right, and hopefully we can see them taking off.
Slightly different shapes on the fin.
Going for it.
Sounds like electric. 4-stroke. And I recognise that as a Kyosho, which is a Japanese kit company model. So, 3 Spitfires, 3 club members.